What is up, everyone? This is Motorals here, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Play games on your Windows device. So let's get around to this. So this is not the Google Play stores in its entirety. This is just the games section of Google Play that you can essentially download on your computer and play games on. So I will make a separate tutorial on how to do the Google Play Store itself. That's not directly, that is through like an emulator, but this is the actual one from Google itself for games. So once you click this download button, it's a simple exe file that just installs on your computer. And this is how the installation looks like. Once you install it, you're going to see like some pre-registration for certain games, some free ones, some paid ones. So you'll see over here like the different types of games that you're essentially able to like kind of look into. You have library, you have a search bar, all that other good stuff. And you can see all of these different types of games. Again, this is like based off of anime and all these, probably these ones as well. But yeah, you can see all of these different games as well. So let's just say for this one, for example, you go in, you install it, you play the game, and voila, that's basically it. Again, some might be paid just like the Google Play Store, some might be free, and you're seeing those instances here. Yeah, that's basically it. This is how you download it. This is install it. You install the game, you play it, and voila, you're basically good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up. Go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorals out. Peace.